sitting in a 2008 Toyota Camry. What we're going to do is we're going to erase all the keys by doing a reset immobilizer. We're going to program one master key in and one valet key in. This has a valet chip in there. And you can see the tip is cut down for a valet function. So we're going to go ahead and put the original key in the switch. It's on. Go to Camry. 2008. We're going to go to Immobilizer 1. We're not going to do anything with the remote. Okay. We're going to go to Service Functions. Quick Reset. Yes. Once I hit this button, if I scroll, you can see that the red light is now on solid. Now, it says procedure complete. From this point, we're done. We don't need the machine any longer. I'm going to go ahead and unhook it. All right, we are done with that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the key out. Now I'm going to have my eye on the security light up here. Go close here. Okay, going to insert the first one. The light will go out and it'll come back on. Remove the first master key. I'm going to stick in the valet key. It'll go out, come back on. I'm going to turn the lock off to on 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Light is out. Now I'm going to put my valet key in and the light should come on solid. And then it'll go out. Okay, that's a true valet key. Now I'm going to go ahead and stick the master key in. The light will go out right away. Take it out. I'll put my valet key in again. I'm going to turn on. Vehicle starts, and we are all done.